If you're from St. Louis, you call these T-Ravs. I found some refrigerated ravioli on sale and wanted to see if the air fryer could do them justice. First, I beat up 2 eggs. Then I mixed half a cup of seasoned panko breadcrumbs with half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Take your ravioli, dip it in the egg, then into the breading. If this is your first time breading anything, quick tip. 1 hand for wet, 1 hand for dry. And when you hit the breadcrumbs, give it a little press so everything sticks. That's it. Just give it a good spray of oil on one side and throw it in the air fryer and spray the other side. Into a preheated air fryer at 380 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for 10 minutes, flipping halfway. Give it one more quick spray of oil just to make sure it's extra crispy. Back in for 5, and look at that. Golden brown, crazy crispy. Air fryer toasted ravioli is officially a win. If you're from St. Louis, tell me how I did, and if you're not, welcome to the obsession. For more easy air fryer wins, hit that like and subscribe button and check back for new recipes every week on Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.